or what happened?
I'm not sure. I think we'll do it differently now, so we don't need as many dispels. We'll take 6 stacks instead of 3 in phase 2.
I guess it's because none of the healers went into the dream at the end.
Yeah, both healers. I think I was not in a dream.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The nightmare has corrupted dragons, gods, and legends. Your downfall will be simple and sweet. Embrace the dreaming.
Yeah, I got the dream, so I will do the dispels now, Jana.
Not permitted. I'll slice into the heart of you.
Get down. Dispel me. Don't dispel me in the group. You just let the party with.
Yeah, okay.
We'll get a big ad soon. I'll taunt the boss when we do echo and you can take the ad, yeah? Taunting. Get a dispel on.
Spell.
A big head.
Oh, I got him.
Very nice. Smooth.
I'll slice into the heart of you.
Blades?
Ah, fuck's sake.
Fuck. Sorry.
My bad.
Dispel too early.
Get the ad down.
Dispel soon or?
I just need to get some HP first. There we go. Just dispel me when you can.
Leaving
Take
dream.
the ad. Taunt. As soon as you get. Taunt.
Okay, dispel.
I will sever you from the waking world.
Those huge pools in the dream.
It's only you that can see them. It's
Yeah.
personal. It's when your corruption gets too high. It doesn't damage anyone else, just.
I'm
I
leaving
just need
green
to
now.
go into it, or...
But the huge pools, just don't touch.
Okay.
I'm out the stream, so next time it should be you, Jana, that goes in.
Right. I've got 3 stacks, but
Ouch!
another dream. It's okay. It's okay. Hit the
Taking
tag.
one.
I'm gonna taunt him.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Let me get 3. We'll go into phase 3 soon. I think you'll be put in a dream then, Akwi. Then you start with 6 stacks. Get on. Dispel me.
I'll dispel him. I will take the next dispel.
We're moving to the middle now, Akwi. We're gonna swap faces a little bit. Pull them all the way to the blue. Stack with the meteor guy. Kill the ad. Ads. Gets too heavy, Equita. People in the dream soak the puddles that the ads drop and they die.
Yep, yeah.
Is he at 60%?
Yeah, you left him
Oh,
at the
you,
other.
you need to take it.
Taking.
I guess
He's a
so
50.
much corruption from you. I don't know why.
Yeah, but you're in the dream. Sure.
Oh yeah, yeah,
No, are you?
yeah, yeah.
You got the debuff? I can see it now. Hey, I can see now.
At.
Okay, I'm out of the dream.
Feel the devastation of the nightmare.
Video.
Ads. I don't think you can take 6 Phantom now. I think 6 is way too... Oh, we don't have Dream. Okay, dispel me if you can.
Tell him, Jenna.
Stack.
Range kill the last ad.
Come and get that pool out there when you can. There's the pool right next to the boss. Someone in the Dream. Go. Too late, kill it.
I'm gonna need a swamp.
I can't dispel the one, so...
Jenna, can you dispel?
I'll have a new phase soon, a new Dream phase.
Feel the devastation of the nightmare.
I can't take that one, I think, that meteor.
Almost at full corruption.
Yeah, just hold on. Someone dispel me.
6%.
Get that pool, someone in the Dream quick.
I'm descending into madness.
Blood loss.
Other tentacles.
Ignore them. Sneak blood. Burn face, guys, come on, everything.
Mind control.
Get him down. Get him down quickly so we can nuke him.
Kill me.
Don't
I need a dispel.
Can you ank? Can we see our?
If he gets stressed,
I'm up.
he'll send some madness again.
Oh, he's fine, he's nice. Oh, he's under the
Descending into...
Just hold on. Shield what?
Yeah.
Take him. Oh, take him back now.
Just nuke him. Killed Psycho.
I got off some dispels, at least.
Fuck, I'm down. Nuke him, guys, come on, you can do it. I believe.
Yeah, it's gonna die now.
Keep back way up if you can, Lily. I believe in you. Oh, come on, kite!
Oh, this is not
10
good.
million, come on, you can do it. 6 million, boys. Come on. This is easy. Easy. Yeah, good job. That's the Reaper way right there. The Reapers are back.
Perfect.
Perfect Reaper kill. Have we got gold on a reroll? Yeah, we're back.
What are you talking about? That was not close at all. I deliberately died to make it more interesting.
Let me remind you of every mythic kill we've ever had.